Now we are going to see second sum. Out of 150 seats in the theatre, 128 are occupied. How many are empty? So first you have to write total number of seats in the theatre. Total number of seats in the theatre is 150. Number of seats are occupied 128. Number of seats are empty. So you have to find out the empty seats. First, total number of seats in the theatre is 150. Number of seats are occupied is 128. Then now we are going to find number of seats are, how many seats are empty, that is the question. Number of seats are empty, that is called as empty seats. So you know very clearly this is a subtraction sum, because total number of seats is given and occupied seats also given. Now we have to find out how many seats are empty, that is number of seats are empty. That means it's remaining or balance. Balance seat you have to find out. So okay, and 0 minus 8. Okay, 0 minus 8. So you can't subtract, so you have to borrow from 5, that is you have to borrow from 110, you have to borrow from 110. Okay, so from the 510 you have to borrow from 110, because in one's place is 0, so this 0 becomes what, 10. So 10 minus 8, so you have to do the backward counting after 8, that is 9 and 10, so you must write 2. Now this 410 becomes what, sorry, this 510 become what, 4 tens, because you borrow from 110, you borrow 110 from 5 tens. So that is what. So first is you have to see the numbers, that is 0 ones and 5 tens and 100. So from 150 you have to subtract 128. So 0 from 0 to 8 not enough to subtract, so you have to borrow from 5 tens. You have to borrow from 110 from 5 10. So this 0 become 10. So 10 minus 8, it becomes what? You can get 2. This count, this is a backward counting. After 8 you have to start from the backwards, you have to what, count, you have to count the backward counting, you have to use the backward counting. So after 8, 9 and 10, so up to 10 you have to count 9 and 10, so 2. So now what is the number in the tens place, because you gave 1 10, so now it becomes what, 4 tens. So 4 minus 2, it is also backward counting again. So after 2, 3 and 4. So up to 4 you have to do this. The number is now what? 2 again. Okay. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, that's it. So 4 minus 2, 2. So 1 minus 1, you know that 0 is not necessary, right? So empty seats are, that is 22. So 22 seats are, what is this? Empty. This is the right answer for the question. Okay. So that is the right answer. So you know that, again I'll repeat, total number of seats in the theatre is 150. So occupied seats is 128. So you have to find number of seats. How many seats are empty? This is a question. So number of seats are empty is, what is this? Number of seats are empty is 22 seats. That is what I've written very simply. Empty seats equal to 22 seats. This is the right answer for the question.